In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy section. Following that, tap on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features that you want to manage, like location. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Facebook and apply one of those available options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Facebook just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Chrome. Now select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for your app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!